Good afternoon all, MacBlogs here, aka Ian. I have not long boarded the Disney Dream cruise and I have noisy neighbours. I have recently just came into the room, checked it out. I'm going to give you guys a room tour. If you haven't followed me before, this is my, if it's your first time watching me, this is my second Disney cruise and yeah, I'm still speechless. Just another type of ship, another ship. I was in the Wish before, now in the Dream, totally different feel to it. So awesome, so cool to be back on a Disney cruise ship, even though it was only a few weeks ago that I was on a Disney Wish. But anyway, this is a tour of a standard stateroom. So let's start. I've got no veranda, this is central, facing forward, so I am on level 9, deck 9. Facing forward. My room number is 9011. If you have a plan there, an online plan that gives you an idea of where I am. And yeah, let's get going. I'll show you the room. It's I'm in between video just now in regards to embarkation day, so have a look at that video if you want. This is an overview of the room. I'll show some more details in a moment. No veranda, but a pretty cool little kind of, what do you call that, a porthole? I don't know if it's a porthole, does that not take you to the future or something? Anyway, yeah, front door. Soon I will have to go to my assembly station point. That starts at 4 PM. Yeah, I'll start at the toilet, the bathroom, why not? So, here you have shower, a mini bath, if you want to call it. Course toilet, sink. Some body lotion, some hand soap, some little towels there, mirror, more towels. I like the curtain as well, the hidden Mickeys, or not so hidden Mickeys. Here you have complimentary shampoo, conditioner and body wash, the H2O product, which is always awesome to have. So yeah, everything you need, everything I need anyway in this room. Keep minding this step as well. Storage wise, let's have a look at the storage. In here, life jackets, hopefully don't need them. Hanging area, so hangers, ladder, because there is a drop down bed there, so that drops down and that folds down as well for a bed. I'll show you that in a moment. I'm not going to fold down, but I'll show you in a moment. Storage area, safe, and little ducats there to put your things. Just realised, why is it dark? There we go. Should have done that before I started the video. So, in here, desk, full of drawers, got your hairdryer in here. Tips for travelling with lithium metal and rechargeable, so you can store stuff in here. There's a little mat, so I haven't seen that before. The drawer, chair there as well. Oh, little secret drawer here with all the goodies in it. Postcards, pens, papers. You can phone the US Coast Guard from here if you want. Yeah, I'm currently in Southampton, just about to go. Why is it not closing? Is that because of the chair? Oh no, we've got a jam. There we go. I am, don't know if I just do it quickly just to let you know what I'm doing. I am in Southampton. I'm doing the 7-night British Isle, the UK trip, where it stops at like Cork and Belfast and Greenock, Liverpool, Portland. Yeah, so I'm doing that. So if you want to check those videos out and subscribe, check out the channel, go and watch them. I'm vlogging every single day just like my other videos, and yeah, hopefully you enjoy them. It's going to be, what's going on? Oh.
Regardless of age or how many times you may have sailed with us before, it is mandatory that each and every guest attend this very important drill. Life jackets are not required, however, we do ask that you arrive on time to your assembly station with your key to the world cards to verify your attendance. Please note all shipboard services will be suspended from 3:30 this afternoon through to the end of our mandatory safety drill. Ship's officers will be monitoring attendance.
So yeah, that was just information about the assembly drill, which is coming up very soon. So, where was I? So yeah, desk area, sockets, USB points, European points, socket, lights, mirror, glasses, little ducats here to store your things. This TV goes back in the way, comes out, tilts towards the bed. And here you have a little mini fridge. You can have adjoining rooms as well. I don't, hopefully, nobody walks in. This bed here, so you just pull this towards you, you can see the pillows behind. You pull this down towards and you have a bed. This one pulls down. I believe you need to ask assistance for that. I like the picture. Curtain here as well, so a curtain to segregate, so section off the bed and this sleeping area, if you're going to use it as sleeping area. Look at the live camera from the port of Southampton. Bedside, got a floating shelf. Here you have lights to control. You have your power outlets, little drawer. On the other side, I don't think there's a charging. I looked at that previously. I don't think there's a charging area there, charging point. Nope. There's a little drawer, phone, light controls. The bed's been so tempting just to lie down, but I'm not doing it because I won't get back up. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is what you get in the standard inside stateroom, and for me it's got everything. I was on the veranda one. This is facing forward, like I say. Again, I was facing forward, just next to this room on deck of 10 on the Wish. It was lovely. I could sit on the veranda, the balcony, and the sun was nice. My whole thought behind this one was the weather might not be so great, but the price was really good. I actually got allocated, so I think it was like a guaranteed stateroom. I never picked my room just because of the price. It was a little bit cheaper, saved some money on that, and I was given this room. I was allocated this room a few days before, or maybe it was a week, 2 weeks. I can't remember now. So you get to know beforehand what your room's going to be, but you get allocated, don't get to pick it for the one that I done. So, but you can. Of course you can do that as well, but I'm sure there's maybe an upcharge for that or whatnot. So yeah, that's really it. Hopefully you join me for my trip, 7-day trip around the UK. Got a few surprises there. Cannot wait to enjoy this one. Come and join me, hit subscribe. I'll see you on my channel, all my social medias down below, and I'll see you all very, very soon. Bye bye.